So do you also wish to create an automated AI assistant for your own business but don't know any programming language? Don't worry, I have got you covered. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create a fully automated AI assistant for your own business. So see, this is the AI assistant that we are going to build in this video. It will give instant replies to your users' queries without you touching your phone. This AI assistant is especially designed for restaurant customer support without writing a single line of code using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this amazing AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you also want to create this type of automated AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, after doing the sign-in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps, and as we are creating an AI assistant, and this will be created using Pabbly Chatflow, so I will go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. See, it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate video which includes the detailed explanation of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link, and on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow as inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, WhatsApp payment settings, and get help. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I will click on this AI assistant button. Then you will come in this AI assistant page where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand what is knowledge base and how we can create the AI assistant. Now, as we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this add AI assistant button. Then you can see it will ask me to enter the name, so I am entering my AI assistant name as build a restaurant AI assistant for customer support. Next, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, you will become in this page where you have to select the instruction type. See, the instruction types define how the AI should behave. So here I am setting the instruction type as AI agent, and once I select the instruction type, it will automatically generate the instruction here, and in this instructions you tell the AI what to do and how to reply. Here, as soon as I select the instruction type as AI agent, then automatically instructions will come, but you can also customize it completely based on your own needs. Moving forward, in this field you have to set the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of the AI assistant. Here, low temperature gives accurate and stable answers, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting the temperature as 0.5. After that, it will ask you to select the AI model that I am going to select as OpenAI. Moving forward, the model type I am going to select as GPT-4o Mini. After choosing this, it will ask me to enter the API tokens. In this field, you have to enter the API token. Now I am going to explain you from where you can get this API token. Just click on this OpenAI API keys page. Then you will be landed on this OpenAI API keys page. In this page, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, you have to enter the name. It is an optional, and so I am leaving this blank. Next, I am going to select the project as default project. After that, the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button, and you can see I have got my OpenAI key. So I am copying this key from here and going to paste it in this field. See, after pasting the OpenAI key, you just have to click on this connect button. See, the OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings as header message. See, the header message is the first message users see when the chat starts. It is usually a welcome message or short introduction. So if you want to set this, then you can enable this and write the message here. Here I am not setting up this. Next is the footer message. The footer message appear at the end of the conversation. It can be used for thank you message or contact information. Moving forward, the stop keywords. Stop keywords are specific words that end the conversation. See, for example, typing stop or exit will close the chatbot flow. Now the next one is retry attempt. Retry attempts define how many times the bot retries if something goes wrong. This helps helps avoid conversation failures due to temporary issues. And the last one is the fallback message. This message is shown when the AI doesn't understand the user message. It helps guide users back with a polite and helpful response. Moving forward, I am clicking on this knowledge source button. Here you have to upload the knowledge source file. Now, what is knowledge source? So knowledge source is the information bank of the AI assistant. It defines where the AI should get its answer from instead of guessing. Yes, and without knowledge source, the AI gives general answers. So here I have created this AI assistant specifically for restaurant customer support. So now I am going to show you the knowledge source that I have already created before in my docs. See, this is the knowledge source for restaurant AI assistant, where I have mentioned all the related details regarding my restaurant, as about the menu, travel reservation policies, delivery and takeaway information, special offers and combo, contact details, and some frequently asked questions too. So this is how knowledge source look like. After setting up the knowledge source, you just have to click on this files option and download this file in the PDF format. See, the file is downloaded successfully. I am simply selecting this file from here and dragging it here. And you can see how easy the knowledge source file get uploaded. Moving forward, the next one is the assistant interface. Once you click on it, then you will see multiple fields. After that, you have to write header in this field that I am going to write as a restaurant AI assistant for customer support. Next, the subheading I have write that we are online and happy to assist you. After that, the initial message said, hi there, how can I help you today? After that, this is the label powered by Pabbly. You can also disable this label here if you want to. Next, the footer text I have entered is privacy and policy. After that, I have mentioned one footer link in this field, and the user's first message I have entered that I need help. After filling all these fields, the last one is the styling, where you can style your AI assistant. Here I am not changing it. After all these process, I am clicking on this toggle so that my AI assistant should enable, and I will click on the save AI assistant button. See, my AI assistant saved successfully, and here you can see how the AI assistant will look like. And one option is also there by the name of embed. This option allows you to set up your AI assistant directly on your websites. It lets users chat with your AI without leaving the page. So this is how this button works. Now the creation of my AI assistant is completed. Now I am going to do the setup by going in this inbox option, and in this inbox you will be see all the contacts that were added in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So I am simply selecting this contact from here and choosing the AI assistant from here as a build a restaurant AI assistant for customer support. After selecting the AI assistant, I will click on the save button, and you can see my AI assistant is active. I am also explaining you one setting to just click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. After that, just scroll down and you will see one option is there by the name of AI auto reply setting. Just enable this and you will select the contact list from here. As if you want to active your AI assistant for all the contacts, then you will select the contact list as all contacts and select the AI assistant from here. After selecting the AI assistant, just click on the save button and you can see how the setting is done, and it is visible that the setting is saved successfully. As the setup of our AI assistant is completed, now I am going to test this AI assistant to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending a message to my AI assistant. Let's say I am sending a message as hello. See, instantly the AI assistant replied to me like this, that hello, how can I assist you today? Let's say I am sending a message as give me special offers and combos. Then you will see the AI assistant will share me the special offers and combos. Moving forward, I am asking the question as do you accept reservations? Then you will see it will respond to me like this, that yes, we do accept the table reservation. You can make advanced reservation as well by including all the details of how you can do the table reservation. Here I am sending one more message as do you host birthday parties? Then it says that yes, we do host birthday parties and small events. As you can see that the AI assistant is responding me within a second. Lastly, I am asking the contact details of this restaurant. So I am sending the message as share me the contact details. And then you will see I have received the contact information. So this is how the AI assistant will works in real time. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section, or if you want me to create a AI assistant for your own specific business, then just comment that too. I will create a tutorial on it. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing AI assistant for your own business. And lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code that when you purchase the Pabbly subscription, use it MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.